Welcome to Banda Neira, an island situated in the Banda Islands in the province of Maluku in eastern Indonesia. This is part of 13 islands, 7 of which are inhabited. Situated about 140 kilometers south of Siram Island and 2,000 kilometers east of Java, it was, in the mid-19th century, the world's only source of the spices nutmeg and maize, which led to the Portuguese, the Dutch, and the English controlling the islands at different points in time. These days, the islands are also popular destinations for tourism, scuba diving, and snorkeling. I will be spending my time in the main town and administrative center of Banda Neira, where I'll be exploring the islands through my sketches. If this kind of thing excites you, stick around. There are a few ways to get to Banda Neira. You've seen me on the plane in the last episode. There is also the fast ferry Bahari Express 2B, which I took a month before. And if you own a boat, you can also set sail to the Banda Islands. But most of the local tourists come here by the Pelni cruise ships. Every few days, one arrives in Banda Neira from the surrounding regions. So today the Pelni arrives. It's nearly 2 o'clock and passengers will come down and new passengers will head up, and this will set sail in about 2 hours at about 4 p.m. and that's causing the hustle and bustle here right in front of the port. So I'm gonna find a spot here to sketch because I only have a window period of about 2 hours. And just like that, when the boat leaves, nothing is left here. It's just amazing. Yeah, the town is back to its original state. Sorry, we're here at Belgica Cafe. It's right next to the Belgica Fort. I'm gonna sketch it just because it looks so cute. It finally got dark, so I ended my day by having some local nasi goreng or fried rice topped with a fried egg here at Warung Bakso Ikan Banda Neira, operated by a lady called Wiwin. Since I ran out of battery power, I can only show you the sketch I did from inside of the shop while I was waiting for my meal. It is time to call it a night. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for joining us, and I hope that wherever you are, all is well. Until the next episode in the Banda Islands, take care and ciao guys.